Wagwan, guys. We're there back on next video. We're there up on the road. You see me? And see my title. When I don't know what in another video already. I make an African dish, KELEWELE, and the dish here made from ripe plantain. All who know me know say really love ripe plantain, right? Me even boil all 6 plantain one time. I some love ripe plantain. But some say this year man say, wow, happy try because it's been a while more on do something with ripe plantain, you know. But I can't figure out what to do with it yet. I'm gonna see this and say, yo, I'm happy try this year. Happy try it, so I try it today. So I want to cancel the video soon. So get it the plantain coming and ripe plantain too. Yeah, man, everything else. Just ripe plantain we need and maybe a black pepper. Yeah, because the dish here include black pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. You can we name paprika night also, nutmeg, garlic, and onion and salt, right? All that I can blend up and season the ripe plantain, rub it up on it and all that, so you can save them for that. Leave a like on the video, but then comment below and tell me what you think about this video and if you know about the dish and how you make it, right? Yeah. So I want to share the video. Anytime if you grow, help other people know about me and all that, right? Yeah, man. And for the IG, 876 and the other adventures. The link to the page them in the description. So just scroll down, click it, and give me a follow. Because before I post on YouTube, a snippet I always post on IG. So open on IG, we see what I'm going to actually post on YouTube. So if you don't want to see like behind the scenes and before anything put on YouTube, just go over there and give me a follow, you see me? Yeah. And also I'm more send enough respect to one of my main supporter, right? My auntie, fashion professor, New York City designer. I put that Instagram up here so all who interest like clothes and all that, only can just go over there and give her a follow, you see me? Because she bad, I like her stuff then, so if you're in the state and anywhere on there, only can link her up and talk to her about that, you see me? So I put some of the things we should do right now. She bad, don't. Yeah man, she bad. So I'm gonna just go over there, give her a follow, see me, you see me? Yeah, and I'll get the plantain now and then kitchen in the kitchen, so don't come back guys, kitchen in the kitchen. Black pepper, my fire. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so see the plantain here. Them here nice size, not too big. It's a big one in the bud. Them are self-ripe. The yellow and pretty and look like this, like a paint in yellow. So them are self-ripe. Best thing for use. And see me already go ahead and start with some nutmeg, pepper, black pepper, garlic, ginger, and onion. So first, I put the cotton first. So pea plantain time. Yeah, cut them though. See? Okay, cut like this again on the butt. So then you know, this finish. I want to see. It's already greater. So you can throw in this. The salt. Salt it is, guys. You don't want too much salt. I'm gonna blend them here now. But you don't want to blend too much water, so when you throw it on the plate, it run off. So, but that's good. I like a small blender. That's good for the dessert about now. So I'm done clean and blend them. Then you come back, guys. Alright, so as you know, that's ready. So the minute time I know I'm gonna use the seed and the pepper. So I don't want it too hot. Then I'm gonna blend them, cut them too fine. So I cut them. We can airport blend a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna blend them here now. I don't have a small blender, I have a regular blender, so I'm not sure how I can blend it. See the blending here, but in a blend as fine as somebody wants it still. So mix up. Yeah, mix this and make it marinate for about half an hour. You can fry same, but you go and soak for even half an hour. Alright, so some have oil here. So flat and go in now, guys. So I go in here, so let's see a taste. I'm gonna say I love fried plantain, and so I'm gonna say a taste. So see it here now, guys. So take off them now. So yes, guys, this is it. Maybe if I try to dark, but as some see them do it, right? So let's taste it now and say a taste, because I'm say I love plantain. I'm say this year. Really anxious to try it, so let's see it turn out. So tasting time I know. Oh guys, when I fried, watch oil. You see me? Hot. Hot, man. Not that pepper wise though. I'm gonna taste non-pepper, so maybe it do have more pepper. I'm not sure. I'm saying never eat before, so I don't know how the original one tastes like from Africa. You see me? But you can definitely taste the plantain for a different say things on it, right? Say season in the taste like normal plantain. You see me? So I can definitely taste a little vibe go and feed. So I think I go on, you see me? Guys, hot like a fire. I'm saying a hot I just more fire, is it in a hot like pepper wise. But it's nice, not feel like I have to do this again. Next time I try like add a little more stuff to it. You see me? Play with ingredients a little bit, because when I make it, myself say I don't want to put too much, because I don't want whatever I put on the plantain overpower the plantain, you see me? So the nice nothing I like. I like it, so I see my family them react this and I see how it tastes. You see me? You know I see them on camera because they can camera share away. Yeah. Like if you the guys, must leave a comment down below and think about that video, and think about this. Enough from African dish forward, you see me? So you can subscribe and stay tuned. If you like, then kind of dish also enough from adventurous thing forward, you see me? So subscribe and stay tuned, share the video. Help channel grow. Let's go to family because we're a family. We can try something and share it to you and you can try it, and if you make a mistake when you can tell me, or if you know something where one thing say but the better when you can comment below, you can comment below and thing, or you can try it and all that. Yeah. Subscribe and subscribe it. For the Instagram, Jeff876 and Yasa Adventures. So scroll down, look in the description, you see link. You see me? And if you can go ahead and give me a follow. As me say, follow me on the page on IG. I put it up here so you see me, so you can go over there, check out that stuff and follow, you see me? Show them main supporter. Yeah. Enough time I feel like giving up because I put in the work and can't not sit up here, but because of them people who around me and them really motivate me to don't stop. The person who actually them and like them and all that. I have quite a few persons around me who support me to the max, so I can't give up. I can't, and then again too, this is something I love. So yeah, I'm going to taste it. My kitchen honest with the guys, so look more.